Yes, students, and today we are going to discuss about the case study topic, the sequencing problem. Before that, what is the introduction about the sequencing problem? It's nothing. The sequencing problem is a problem finding the sequencing order for a series of jobs to be done on a finite number of service facilities so as to minimize the total time taken for finishing all the jobs. Suppose there are 5 jobs are given, so we take which job is finished easily with the shortened duration that we discussed. That is a sequencing problem. Here we have two types of time. One is called the total elapsed time and the other one is called ideal time. So what is total elapsed time? Total elapsed time is the time between the starting the first job and the completing the last one. Suppose when you start your first job in 5 o'clock and it's completing within 9 o'clock, the 5 to 9 duration is 4 hours. So that 4 hours is called total elapsed time. So in these 4 hours, suppose a machine converted to idle, in this elapsed time, the machine converted to idle, that is called idle time. So what is idle time? The idle time on a machine is idle during the total elapsed time. Suppose the machine running time is 4 to 9, the total elapsed time is 5 hours. Okay, within this 5 hours, half an hour the machine is not running, then it is idle. So half an hour is idle time. But the machine is idle up to 12 o'clock, it is not idle time because this 12 o'clock is not considered in the total elapsed time. Okay, therefore idle time is considered only in the total elapsed time. Now we discuss some problem statements and how we calculate the total elapsed time and idle time of the machines. So here the problem statement: find the sequence which minimizes the total elapsed time required to complete the following jobs. Here there are 4 jobs and there are 3 machines given. Therefore the problem is called n jobs with 3 machines. So here the first job. Suppose if you take first job, the first job is assigned on machine 1, it takes 5 hours. The first job is assigned to machine 2, it takes 2 hours. The first job is assigned to machine 3 or machine C, it takes 3 hours. So if you are the persons where you assign the first job in machine B because it takes very short duration than the other 2 machines. Similarly, it takes second job. The second job is assigned on machine A, it takes 7 hours and B 1 hour and C 7 hours also. But 1 is the minimum duration. And then third job. You assign the third job, either machine A 6 hours or B 4 hours and it takes C 5 hours, likewise both jobs. So which job is take first and which job is take second one and which job is third one and which is fourth one. First we form the sequencing order. From that we find the total elapsed time, the minimum considering the time. So that we calculate it. Now this is a problem. Now we take the jobs, but here there are 3 machines. But n job, that is 4 job is there. But already we have n jobs with 2 machines easy. Therefore we convert these 3 machines to 2 machines. Okay, using the first machine is sum of machine A and B. The second is sum of second and third machines. So that is a machine of A plus B. That is 5 plus 2 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 9 plus 5 is 14. And the sum of B and C is of machine 2. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 7 plus 1 is 8, 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 6 is 11. These are all the from this we find the sequencing order. Which job is taking the order? So how we calculate that one? Which job is minimum duration among both left and right side. Before that we take this order first, second, third and fourth one. So among these 2 particular machines durations, which machine time duration is very less than the others? So here 7, 5, 8, 8, 10, 9, 14 and 11. Among these all the time durations 5 is minimum. But it is taken in the second machine. Therefore we take this first job on the right side. Therefore we put it from the right side. And they cancel that one. And then we consider the next minimum of all these things. So minimum duration is 8. But in both cases we have 8. Okay? In both cases we have 8. We take any one. So suppose we take 2. But 2 is in from first machine, therefore we write 2 here. Okay? And then next minimum duration is 9, but it is on second machines. Therefore we take this third cancellation is to right side. The remaining one is fourth one, that is order. So 2, 4, 3, 1 is the correct order. That means We take first job on machine 2, second job on the machine, and the fourth job is next level, third job is next level, this one is next level. Okay? Right. Now taking the order. So writing this order 2, 4, 3, 1. Right? So timing. So when you start the work, it is 0 time. Okay, it is 0 time. And time out. When you complete this work, first we take second job. So second job on maximum duration is 7 hours. But we start the working 0 hour. So 0 plus 7, we complete the work. Next we start after 7 hours. So when you complete machine 2 in the second job, it takes 1 hour duration. Already we have 7 hours, 7 plus 1, 8 hours. Next we start after 8 hours in third machines. So when you complete this work in second job, 7 hour duration, so 8 plus 7, 15 hours we complete the second job on machine C. Okay. Now the fourth job will start after 7 hours. Here we start at 7 hours. Then when you complete fourth job on machine 1, 9 hours. Already can we have 7 hours. So 7 plus 9 is 7 plus 9 is 16. Then we start again. The second this job goes to next machine, but already it takes 8 hours duration. After completing that, we start 16 after 16 hours. Then when we complete this 16 fourth job on machine to 5 hours. So 16 plus 5, 21. Next we take 21 hours, but already the machine is running after 15 minutes or 15 hours. Then it is completed, then we start the work. But this work is up to 21 hours, therefore we start the work after 21 hours on machine 3. And what's the duration of post job on machine 3? 6 hours. Therefore 21 plus 6, 27 hours we complete the post job on machine 3. Then we start the third work. So third work on machine 1 after 16 hours, because the previous is running is 16 hours. So we start the work on 16 hours. Then when we complete the third job on machine 1, it takes 6 hour duration. Already we have 16 hours, so 16 plus 6 is 22. Then again we take this job 2 on machine 2, it takes 22 hours. But here 20 hours, then if it is completed, then we start the work. So 22. So then when we complete this on third job on machine 2, 4 hour duration. So 22 plus 4 is 26. Then again we start the work on 26, but already the machine is running up to 27 minutes. After completing this 27, then we start the work. But here 26 is completed, but still it is running. Then after completing, then we start the work on machine 3. So when we complete the third job on machine 3, is 5 hour duration. So add this is 32. So 27 plus 5, 32. Next, the first job on machine 1. But when we start here, 22. After 22 hours, the first job on machine 1. But take duration 25 hours. So 22 plus 5 is 27. Then when we start the same work on machine 2, after 27 hours, but it is when it is not running, it takes idle. So after 27 hours, the next work will start. Then when we complete the first job on machine 2, it takes 2 hours duration. So 22 plus 2 is 29. Then we start again the third work, the same work on the machine 3, but still it is running up to 32 hours. After completing this 32 hours, then we start the first job on machine 3, but it takes the duration is 3 hours. Therefore, the total is 35. Then we complete the order. Here we start the work from 0 hours and we take all the process and completing all the work up to 35 hours. So this 35 hours is called the total elapsed time. Therefore, the total elapsed time is 35 hours. What is ideal time of machine 1? Ideal time of machine 1 when machine 1 is rest. Machine 1 is start from 0 hours, 7, 16, 22, 27, then it will take rest. But in this total elapsed time, up to 27 hours it is running. The remaining time it takes a rest. Therefore, 35 minus 27, that is 8 hours. The machine amount is idle. So 35 minus 27, that is equal to 8 hours. Machine 1 will be idle. What is idle time of machine 2? Machine B. So machine B, when we start machine B, after 7 hours, up to that stage, the machine will take rest. Therefore, it is idle. Therefore, 7 hours idle, then continuously it's running. But here 7, 8, but We start to work at 16, but 8 hours is after 8 hours, that is 16 hours, the work will start. After 8 hours, it takes rest. Therefore, 7 plus 8 plus here 1 hour rest, and again here 1 hour rest, and then 29 completed the work. But after 29, it has it. Therefore, 35 minus 28, it takes 6 hours rest. Therefore, 6 plus 7, 8, 16, 16 plus 7, how much? 20. 16 plus 7,
23.
23 hours it will be idle. Okay. What is the idle time of machine 3 or machine C? Idle time of machine C. The machine is machine 3 is start up to 8 hours. After 8 hours it will start over. Up to that level the machine C will get idle. Therefore, first 8 hours idle. Then here 6 hours idle. Next, there is no idle. That's all. So completed the work. So totally 8 plus 6, 14 hours. The machine C is idle. So these are all the numbers. Thank you.